Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Monarch Money for budgeting and investing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Monarch Money for budgeting and investing, begin by visiting the official Monarch Money website. Look for the Get Started button on the home page and click it. You will be redirected to the registration page. Here, you will see options to sign up with your email address. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the following field. Once you have filled in your information, click on the Continue button. Next, you will be prompted to provide some personal information. Fill in your first name and last name as requested. Then, enter your date of birth. After that, provide your income range from the options available. This information helps tailor your budgeting experience. You may also be asked about your financial goals. Select the goals that resonate with you from the provided list. After completing these fields, click Continue again to proceed. You will then need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Monarch Money. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. Once verified, return to the Monarch Money platform. Now, log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, you will be guided through an initial setup process. This may include linking your bank accounts for budgeting purposes. Follow the prompts to securely connect your financial accounts. This will help you track your spending and tailor your budget. You can also explore investment options during the setup. Assess the investment features available and select what interests you. Review your financial goals and make adjustments if necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.